Your customers are exposed to thousands of e-commerce stores, and statistics show that the average add-to-cart rate is only 8%. What if we told you that there was a method to increase your numbers with less time and money? Introducing the all-in-one Wishlist app for Shopify e-commerce stores. With Twixo, store owners have noticed an average wishlist conversion rate of 15%, whilst the global average add-to-cart lies at a mere 7.7%. Twixo comes with a box full of features to make the shopping experience seamless and fun. Shoppers will be able to save as many products to different wish lists as they want. One for summer, fall, winter, and more. Twixo allows shoppers to easily share their favorites with friends and family, saving you further on in organic marketing by simply clicking the share button via email and social media. With Twixo, you can create your own personalized and fully customizable wish list to fit your storefront design within just a few clicks. Create strategic marketing campaigns and handle stock inventory wisely using Twixo's in-depth analytical data. Gather a detailed view of your potential customer profiles with our user list details and gain insights into their interests for a personalized marketing experience. High demand for an out-of-stock product or doing pre-sales for the next season? Use Twixo's alert feature to inform your shoppers when the product is in stock. You can also give your shoppers a timed nudge if there is an unpurchased product in their cart for too long, or when you are offering an unmissable price drop at the end of the season. Ready to increase your conversion and traffic of your store? Say goodbye to your traditional, clustered shopping experience and welcome Twixo, your new partner to e-commerce success. Install the most seamless Wishlist app on the Shopify App Store today.